Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. So in this video we'll talk about NCHMCT JEE 2020 which got rescheduled by NTA and exam date is nothing but 29th of August. So finally NTA have decided to take your exam guys, but they have not mentioned whether they will be asking to come on the center to write the exam or exam will be remote based online exam. So 15 days before they will inform you and release the admit card also. So approximate 14th or 15th of August you will get your admit card, and in that you will get to know whether exam will be online or you have to visit the center. So in this video we'll talk about how to prepare for next 15 days. Although we have prepared very much and we have waited a lot for this exam because so many times it got postponed, and finally date is released which is nothing but 29th of August. So let's go to the official website of NTA and see all the detailed information. This is what the official website of NTA, NCHMCT JEE NTA.nic.in, and this is what the notification they have released. Just click on it and let me maximize it for you. So here they have mentioned rescheduling of the National Council for Hotel Management joint entrance examination from 26th of June to 29th of August. So पहले जो एग्जाम की डेट थी वो 22nd of June थी, अभी ये 29th of August को फाइनल किया इन्होंने. Timing will remain same 3 PM to 6 PM. Also they have mentioned the downloading of the admit card indicating roll number and the center of examination will be started 15 days before the conduct of the examination on the official website of NTA. So today is 12th of August, so probably by 14 and 15 you will get your admit card 15 days before the exam from, if I count from 29th of August. Okay, next is about the preparation guys. So these are the 4 parameters where you have to work upon to get the good rank so that you end up with the top IHM colleges. So very first you have to work upon the GK. 70 to 80% audience do not work upon the GK, and weightage of this section is nothing but the 30 question into 4, nothing but 120 marks. So if you have joined Maneuver online program, in that complete detailed information is given about the GK, where all the monthly video lectures are given in terms of the current affairs, static GK, 1000 plus current affairs, and also the 1000 plus static GK. So all these data you have to go through if you want to excel in the GK. If you are going through all this data guys, I can bet you out of 30 you will be hitting 20 plus question right. सबने बहुत मेहनत की होगी मैथ्स को लेके, लॉजिक को लेकर, इंग्लिश को लेके, बट जीके इज द एरिया विच इज़ वेरी वास्ट. सो नीड टू हैव अ राइट कंटेंट, राइट रिसोर्सेज, सो दैट जो आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो राइट डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए. Second comes the mock test. Many people write mock test but very few mock tests, 1 or 2 mock tests, but I want you people to write at least 1 mock test on daily basis, and before your exam you should attempt bare minimum 10 mock tests so that you can make your mock taking strategy which you can implement in the real exam. So after writing the mock test, do analyze the mock test, do check what score you are hitting. If you are hitting 600 plus score in your mock test, which means surely you will end up with the top IHM like Mumbai, Delhi and the other IHM. And after analyzing the mock test, wherever you are lacking, which area you are finding weak in or some extra work need to be done on that particular topic, do work upon the revision part guys for that particular topic. So one day one mock test, do work upon the analysis, after then revision part. Okay, very important, do solve the past year paper guys. On website you will get the past year paper, but solution for that particular question is very traditional way. So all these solutions do not include the shortcut how to handle these questions in the exam by applying the common sense and applying the shortcut and the elimination method. So that's why at Maneuver we are giving you last 4 year paper solution, and these papers solved by the expert faculty, where you will get to know all the shortcut tricks, and same thing you can apply in the real exam. So those who find themselves weak in maths, do watch all the past year paper solution video lecture guys, which will be very helpful for all the aspirant, and English also. As of now we have launched maths and English past year paper solution. So further I'll guide you how to join all these programs. Next is the 20 days planning video link. I have given you the description guys, because last time only I had made this video, 20 days planning video. In this video I have given you the break even of next 15 days for the D-Day exam, which is nothing but your real exam. So अभी का जो exam है वो 29th of August को है. Exactly 15 days आपके पास बचा हुआ है exam को लेकर के. 1-2 दिन आपको एक्स्ट्रा ही मिल रहा है. सो यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड यू कैन स्ट्रेटेजाइज योर प्रिपरेशन गाइस. ये वीडियो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा आपके लिए. इस वीडियो का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, सो काइंडली चेक द वीडियो. एंड ये रूटीन अगर आप फॉलो करोगे तो आपके लिए काफ़ी बेटर होगा, एक रिवीजन हो जाएगा आपका. एंड अगर आपने ऑनलाइन मेन्यूअर का पोर्टल ज्वाइन किया है तो वहाँ से सारे वीडियोज़ को आप गो थ्रू कर सकते हो. सो गाइज वी हैव वेटेड अ लॉट फॉर दिस एग्जाम, और फाइनली एग्जाम हो जाने दो अभी, बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम से स्टूडेंट्स का कॉल आ रहा है कि एग्जाम कब होगा, एंड फाइनली दे हैव गिवन द डेट. इतना प्रिपेयर करो कि IHM आपका पक्का हो जाए. सो इट्स टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द बैटल गाइस. बी रेडी विथ योर GK preparation, your mock series, your past paper solution and the revision part. Do work upon all these area before you write the actual exam. Now let me tell you how to join the GK Booster program, online program, mock series. So you have to visit to the menuedu.com website, and from here you have to go to the buy online hotel management. Same link I have given in the description guys, so kindly check the description और वहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली इस वेबसाइट पे आ सकते हो. यहाँ पे आने के बाद फुल कोर्स में आ जाओ. फुल कोर्स में आपको ये पहला प्रोग्राम दिख रहा है IHM NCHM CT JEE. इन दिस प्रोग्राम एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द व्यू डिटेल्स. You will get 235 videos, 82 ebooks, 10 mock series, and syllabus wise you can go through all this data. So from here you have to do add to cart, and you have to complete the detail and do the payment part. Immediately activate हो जाएगा and you can start going through all the data, all the video lectures, mock series, GK, everything you can go through. And if you will go back, so यहाँ पे आने के बाद mock series है. अगर आपको सिर्फ mock join करना है, 12 sectional and the 10 full length mock series, you can join this mock series program also. And if you come to the sectional course, अगर आपका कोई पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन वीक है, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, रीजनिंग और सर्विस सेक्टर, जीके और पास्ट ईयर पेपर सोल्यूशन जो मैं बोल रहा था आपको इंग्लिश को लेकर के और मैथ्स को लेकर, 2016 से लेकर 2019 तक का पेपर सोल्यूशन है मैथ्स का, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Do watch all this video lecture guys before you write the actual exam. Alright guys, so date is announced once again 29th of August. Don't wait for anything कि एग्जाम आगे पोस्टपोन्ड होगा या नहीं होगा. प्रिपरेशन चालू कर दो आपकी, so that you can hit the good rank in the exam and you will finally end up with your dream college, which is nothing but the top IHM. And if you want to join for the mock test, sectional or the full course program, kindly visit menuedu.com/hotel management. ये link मैंने description में दिया हुआ है, so kindly check the description. For any query and doubt, you can call on 8828581455. All the very best guys. Thank you.